Point in time where the murders discussed?
No.
Did you know they had any involvement whatsoever?
No.
Major developments today in Pike County. George Wagner IV took to the stand in his own murder trial. Wagner IV is claiming he never took part in or had any knowledge of the killings of the Roden family. Good evening, I'm Jared Smalley.
And I'm Jennifer Bullock. Those killings happened in 2016. NBC4's Jonathan Jackson has been listening in on that testimony. Jonathan, what else was revealed on the stand?
Well, Jen and Jared, during his testimony, George said he not only never knew of his family's actions, but once it was revealed to him by BCI agents, he decided to help authorities by spying on his own family.
What did you think of the Rodens?
They're normal people to me. Same as everybody else I hung out with in life.
Did you like them, dislike them?
Yes, I liked them.
In Pike County, George Wagner IV took to the stand in his own defense. Wagner, along with 3 members of his family, are all accused of taking part in the killings of the Roden family in 2016. Throughout the trial, other members of Wagner's family who pleaded guilty, his brother Jake and mother Angela, have testified against him. But today the jury heard directly from George himself, in which he claimed to have had no part in these murders and claimed he never knew of his family's actions.
Were you aware at any time that Jake and your dad and your mom were planning to kill the Rodens?
No.
Was that ever discussed with you?
No.
Did you have any idea that was going to happen?
No.
Prosecutors allege that the murders stemmed from a custody dispute over a child that Jake Wagner had with Hannah Mae Roden. While on the stand, George Wagner claimed that he would never have allowed his family to harm anyone.
So why didn't you think they could do something like this?
Theft is one thing. Murder is an entirely different thing.
What would you have done to try to stop it?
I can't honestly say it that, but one way or another, I would have never let it happen.
Wagner also confessed to BCI agents investigating his family after the Rodens' deaths and claims that when the authorities told him of his family's actions, he agreed to help spy on them.
My understanding of it was that they were either going to call me a suspect or a witness, whichever they decided, and that they wanted me to basically spy on my brother.
Did you agree to do that?
Yes.
Now, George Wagner says he asked his brother if he had anything to do with the murders, but says that Jake denied having any involvement. The prosecution, however, argues that George was present during the murders of the Roden family, and both Jake and Angela Wagner testified that George did know of his family's actions.